Most people think building $1 million requires luck, a perfect idea, or access to secret opportunities. The truth is simpler and far more powerful. Million-dollar paths are built through ordinary decisions repeated over time. The opportunities are right in front of you every day. Most people never notice because they chase excitement shortcuts and instant results. Wealth rarely appears that way. It grows quietly while others are distracted. The first thing to understand is that $1 million is not magic. It is math. Once you understand the math, the journey becomes clear. Money compounds, time multiplies effort, consistency quietly beats bursts of motivation. Those who eventually reach 1 million usually look ordinary in the beginning. They simply continue when others stop. The journey begins with income. Income is the engine of wealth. Without income, nothing moves forward. You cannot invest what you do not earn. Yet most people spend years focusing on cutting small expenses while ignoring increasing what flows in. The fastest path to $1 million is rarely extreme frugality. It's increasing your earning power. People who reach their first million usually multiply their income before they ever reach that milestone. They learn valuable skills. They move into industries where money flows faster. They build businesses or systems that produce value. In the early stage, the best investment is often not stocks or property. It is the ability to earn more. Skills are the first form of capital. A person with valuable skills can always generate income. Income leads to the next stage, ownership. Ownership is the line that separates workers from wealth builders. Workers trade hours for money. Owners hold assets. Assets produce value whether the owner is present or not. A salary has limits. Ownership can scale without hours. Several types of assets have created millions of millionaires: businesses, real estate, equity in growing companies, and long-term investments in markets. The exact path matters less than the principle. You must own something that grows. Many delay this step because they think they must first become rich. The truth is the opposite. People invest before they are rich. Even small amounts can start the process. What matters is that the machine begins running. Once assets exist, another force enters the story: compounding. In the beginning, it seems invisible. Progress feels slow. Many people lose patience because the numbers do not yet look impressive. But beneath the surface, money begins earning returns. Those returns earn returns of their own. Over time, the curve rises faster. Eventually, invested money works harder than the person adding new money. That is when wealth begins accelerating. Leverage is another principle. It allows small resources to control larger opportunities. In the past, leverage came mostly from capital. Today, it also comes from technology, knowledge, and networks. A single person with the right systems can reach millions of people. A small investment can control a large property. A digital product can sell thousands of times without extra effort. Leverage multiplies results, but must be used wisely because it also amplifies mistakes. Focus is quiet power. The world constantly presents trends, distractions, and new possibilities. Many jump from idea to idea, seeking quick breakthroughs. The million-dollar path usually rewards focus. Great fortunes often come from staying in one direction long enough for results to compound. A business in one industry. Real estate held for years. Investments bought steadily over time. From the outside, the result looked sudden. In reality, it was built through focus and repetition. Environment shapes perception. If everyone around you doubts wealth, your thinking slowly aligns with that belief. But studying people who have already built wealth expands what seems possible. You begin seeing patterns, opportunities appear, and standards rise. Once the goal feels real, the mind starts searching for ways to reach it. Time is the silent partner. The earlier you start, the stronger compounding becomes. Waiting for the perfect moment is costly. Every year delayed is compounding lost. Many wait for certainty and perfect knowledge. Those rarely arrive. Wealth builders begin before everything feels clear. They learn while moving forward. Momentum forms. Momentum produces results. Results build belief. Belief fuels bigger actions. The million-dollar mark arrives not through one dramatic moment, but through thousands of small, consistent decisions. Income expands. Assets grow. Compounding accelerates. Leverage multiplies outcomes. Focus keeps progress steady. Time amplifies everything. These forces together create the path to $1 million. None are hidden. None are reserved for the elite. They are available to anyone willing to start and remain consistent when results are still invisible.